Okay, so imagine you have two piano students learning how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, Mary Had a Little Lamb, and Chopsticks. Student A decides to learn each song all the way toward perfection before moving on to the next one, while student B decides to mix it up by practicing all three songs a little bit every day, a little bit at a time in a different order. Who do you think will be the first one to learn to play all three songs perfectly? Well, according to cognitive scientists, the answer is almost definitely student B, assuming student A is an Elton John, which may be surprising to hear because the way that we're taught in school is blocked and linear. But it turns out that randomizing what you're learning actually helps you absorb it faster, and this is because it leverages a powerful cognitive strategy called interleaving practice, a Jedi mind trick for faster learning, whether you're studying music or math or good old-fashioned textbooks. When you switch things up frequently, your brain is forced to stay more alert, make more connections between concepts, and improve your adaptability for retrieving knowledge out in the real world where you never know what's going to get thrown at you next. Well, this all sounds great in theory. The problem is that it's a chaotic pain in the arse to actually study this way unless you've got the right tools, like flashcards. Flashcards are the perfect format for breaking a subject down to its atomic building blocks because you can so easily switch or interleave between different concepts randomly. And this is especially true for digital flashcard apps like Brainscape, where you could much more easily manage hundreds or even thousands of flashcards from different subjects and let the smart algorithm automatically mix it up with the little spaced repetition sprinkled in. In fact, Brainscape has seen interleaving practice to be so effective that we created a feature called Smart Study that allows you to customize your frequencies of flashcards across all different subjects depending on your learning goals. Because once you've configured your preferences, all you have to do is tap the single study button and Brainscape will feed you a personalized stream of interleaved flashcards from across those subjects. So whether you're using a flashcard app, paper flashcards, or just winging it with your own manual study tactics, remember that staying on your toes with interleaving practice is one of the most effective ways to get the most out of your study time. If you like this advice, please remember to subscribe here, check out the Brainscape Academy for more great tips, and whatever you're doing, give yourself the energy and randomization so that you could rise to any challenge.